Good morning, students. Welcome to the bio class again. Let's start the revision of centrosome. I have told you about centrosome, that centrosome is the structure present only in animal cell and absent in plant cell. And inside the centrosome, two centrioles are present which are arranged perpendicular to each other. Now, you all know that perpendicular means making an angle of 90 degree. So, children, you have seen this slide in the previous video also. Now again moving on to the next slide, and here the structure which we are going to discuss again is centrosome and centrioles. A centrosome is found only in an animal cell. It is a clear area of cytoplasm close to nucleus. I have told you in the location that it is present near nucleus, from which spindle fibers develop during cell division both in mitosis and meiosis. Children, I have explained you this also. Now, the centrosome contain two centrioles which are short bundles of microfilaments arranged at right angles to each other, and that is why they always appear in this shape, like this and this, or we say like this and this. In the microscopic view of cell, there are no centrosome and centrioles in plant cell. Now children, this microfilament term you have studied the first time. Now I'm going to explain you about microfilament. Children, just imagine that you are sleeping and in the morning when you get up, there is no skeleton present inside your body. Though this is not possible, but somehow just think that biology says you can imagine it. So same is the case of the cell also. The cell has its own skeleton, and that skeleton is called as cytoskeleton. Now this cytoskeleton includes the three structures. The three structures are microfilaments. The first one is written here. The second one is the intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments. And the third one is the microtubules, which I might have mentioned in the previous video about centrosome. So children, these microfilaments are made up of special proteins called as actin protein. Along with that, microtubules are made up of another protein called as tubulin protein. Now this microtubule is present in centrosome or centriole. Means centriole is made up of microtubules. Along with that, during cell division, this centriole helps in the alignment of chromosomes at the center. As you know that they will form the spindle fiber. Now this microfilament is made up of actin protein, and it helps in the separation of daughter cells after they are formed during cell division. So children, this was about the microfilament. Again I am telling you that microfilament is a structure which provides a support to the cell made up of actin protein, and it also help in cell division to separate the daughter cells after they have divided. That was all about centrosome. Thank you and have a nice day.